Okay,
Okay,
so we
so
gotta go out now.
let's go out. I mean,
Um,
it's night. If you wanna go out, you can go out. Else,
yeah, I'm going. I'm going. Yeah.
make sure you have a
Yeah, you
sword.
haven't closed it.
Yeah, because you came second, right?
So no, I came first. So what will happen if you leave it open? Are the zombies going to climb this ladder? I don't think they will climb the ladder.
They can.
Oh man, the zombies are too smart.
Yeah.
Okay, so where
Okay.
now? Where
See,
now?
we
Okay, I
explored
want to
that
go this.
region.
I want to go to this tower hill.
You wanna go there?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we explored this place. Let's explore this place. Do you have a sword?
Okay, there is this small cave here.
Yeah, I made it.
Yeah. It's like my own private clubhouse.
Come here, come here, come here. Follow
Can
me.
I want a door to close this. You don't come
Oh,
inside now. Hey! Oh boy, there is a zombie. Zombie boy, zombie boy. So you see, technically, zombie is not an animal.
yeah, and it actively tries to kill us.
Yeah. So it's okay to
Follow
kill
me.
zombie.
Follow me.
Even by a stretch, you can say that a zombie is a dead human. So it's okay to kill
Undead.
humans. Is it okay to kill human supporter?
I don't know. You can ask the carnist.
No, no. In this game, it's okay. I think.
It is okay. Yeah.
Wow, this place is getting more and more complicated. I think I will get lost if I go more.
Oh, dude. Yeah. Come back. Come back. There are like spiders and stuff. Let's go the other way. Let's try to go from the opposite side. Oh, there's a spider right behind you.
Oh! Where is my weapon? Yeah, I got my weapon. How do I kill him?
I did.
Oh no, this guy is having a bow and arrow.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh no, there's so many of them. What? No, 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 no.
Oh, damn, 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 them. They caught up. They caught up to us.
Come first.
I
You
did.
dead? You dead, boy? No. Look how they massacred my boy.
I'm finding my way back. Okay, I've
Where are you
respawned.
now? Where can I see you? I can't see you.
Don't. I've respawned. I'm coming back.
So many crossbow bearing.
That's not a crossbow.
It
That's
is
just a
some
bow.
bow. Oh, there is some black colored dude holding something, and he teleported.
Yeah, that's an Enderman. He's an important mob in the game.
He was holding a block, and he was so tall. He was like a tree. And then suddenly, this guy was walking 2 steps, and then he vanished.
Dude, I don't see you. What?
Uh,
Dude, where am I?
where are
Where
you?
am I?
I
Dude,
don't know. You.
Dude, I just saw a village.
Where?
What? Where am I?
Did you spawn in the same place where I was playing last time?
Yeah,
Does it
yeah, yeah.
change?
You no. It's exact the same, and I see a village. Wow.
Where you come
Wow.
here? You come here and tell me.
Uh,
Can I climb on this fence?
no. So I just somehow made my way back. I don't know where I was, but I made my way back.
Yes. Come on, let's go.
Yeah,
Some-
you don't come. I'll try to fight the skeleton now.
No, no, I want to come.
Give me the sword. Give me your sword.
Boy,
I need a sword. I don't have a sword. Yeah.
take it.
Awesome. Awesome.
I'm also coming.
But be careful, okay?
Yeah. Did you die?
No.
What? What? Whoa! It's the black guy. Fuck!
Did you attack the?
I died. I didn't do anything. I died. I'm hearing some very scary music in my earphone right now.
Yeah. So the thing is, the guy that you're talking about, the tall guy.
Yeah, I respawned somewhere. I think I can find my way.
Yeah, you can find your way back.
Uh,
So the thing is, the black guy, the
yeah.
Enderman, you're not supposed to put your cursor on him. He gets angry if you look at him.
Oh.
And if you don't,
Otherwise he's harmless.
yeah, otherwise he's harmless.
No,
If you look,
I saw those guys with the arrows. No, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I'm gonna die, man. Oh, there is one nice sheep here. No, it's a duck.
I have
What?
all of your stuff.
What is this? I see some gold place. What? What is this? I got pumpkin. There is a big
Wow.
stack of pumpkins. I think this
Wow.
zombie is killing me. I found some village.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I see a door, house.
Go into the door. Go into the door.
Okay. Going.
Yeah.
What?
And then just
I'm inside.
close the door.
I close. He got inside. He got inside. How do I kill him? I'm not dying. He's not dying. I'm dead. No.
Can you go back to the place?
He's crossing the water to be with me. He's crossing
So romantic.
the water. But I'm trying to find my way to the tree house now.
No, go back the same way and find the village again.
I don't know where I went. Yeah, I see the tree house now. I see the tree house.
I see you too. But we need to find the village, dude.
Yeah.
Come, I've opened the door for you.
Oh man. So much stuff happened. So many creepers sitting around. That guy, the creeper I'm looking at him right now. He looks like those, in the biology textbooks I had seen. What do you say? Those virus? With
bacteriophage.
Head. Yeah, with that head and those legs.
Yeah, bacteriophage.
Something like that.
It's called bacteriophage.
With a diamond head and all that.
Yep. The one.
Good stuff. See, kids, you are learning biology now.
Yeah, buddy. So once this night ends, we are going to go to the village, and we're gonna do some farming.
Okay. Man, that Enderman was so scary.
Yeah, dude.
It's nice to just sit and look at the rain.
Yeah, that's what we do in Mumbai.
Yes. Why is this house so small? You did do a good job. Very small house. Can you put up windows over here? All the water is coming inside, man. This is not good. What is this?
You can eventually. Is it morning yet? Has the sun?
Yeah, I can see the pinkish colors in the horizon.
Yeah.
I think we can start going. Or come on, let's go.
You wanna go?
Yeah. Now where? You tell me where I came from. You were there looking at me while I was running.
Yeah, this way.
Where? This way, right? I think this side of the lake.
Oh, there's a creeper.
Where? I don't see it.
Don't!
Where is it?
Dude,
Where?
behind you!
No! I have 2 heart life now.
Yeah, come with me.
I remember this duck boy. I told you this duck boy I've seen. Hello, duck boy. I think it's a duck or chicken or something.
It's chicken.
Okay, same thing.
Not the same thing.
Yeah, it's okay. It looks the same in Minecraft. You look the same as I can see the pumpkins. Boy, it's here. Come on. Just
Oh
come
yeah,
in
I
with
think
me.
I'm in the village.
Huh? Where?
Yeah, I'm in the village. Yes, left of yours.
Yes. I was trying to enter this house and get a good night's sleep. But that idiotic zombie killed me. He entered the door and then I was trapped in here with him.
Oh wow, there's a bed.
Yeah, that is what I said.
Wow, we can steal this bed, dude.
Can you pick it up?
Oh, there's potato.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
All the
Let's steal this bed for a start.
all the French fries are ours. No, why can't we just live here? This looks
No,
nice. Why do you want to go
no,
back to the treehouse?
you have to go back to. I mean, you
Why?
can live here, but
I like this
yeah, but why?
because it's already handmade.
Take the other bed as well.
That is what all the civilized some of the Western countries have done. They just taken stuff that was already made. So let's use that
We are colonizing.
and all.
Explore this place a bit
You
further.
take those pumpkins.
We can take the
See this
pumpkins.
one, this one, this one. Did you see
Le-
it?
wait,
Did you see? Come back, come back, come back. Here,
I
back,
know,
back,
I
back.
saw
Here.
it. I saw the pumpkin.
It looked like gold bricks to me, so I was excited.
No, 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 it's not gold. It's
What is
pumpkin.
this? What is this? What is this? It looks like a bell.
Yeah, it's a bell.
Nothing is happening. Whoa! It's moving. Oh, it's ringing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's changing notes.
Ah, come on.
So nice. This guy. Whoa! Who is this guy?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's his workshop,
Hello, boys. What's up?
and they're making noise.
Ah, that's okay. It's their village after all. Hello, can I get a room to stay here? I don't want to go back to that treehouse.
You have to go back to the treehouse.
Hello, how much can I pay you? I can give you some pumpkins. I'm sure they are yours, but I can still give them to you. He's making some strange sounds like ah and ha. Okay, there is this enclosure. There is
Uh-huh.
this man inside, and there are two cows inside. What is he doing? Artificial insemination?
What?
What? There is literally two cows there. No, surely it's not artificial insemination.
Let's free the animals.
Yes, how? I'm trying to break it. I broke it. I broke it. I broke it.
Awesome. Come here. Open this.
No, I broke it anyway. No, they'll go. I opened you boys. Go home now. Go wherever you want. Okay. This is too much fun. This place.
Dude, all you have to do was right click.
What? I click what?
Right
Hey,
click this.
there is another home. I'm
Ah,
going
we achieved animal liberation. All the cows are.
yeah.
Yeah. Come here. Let's see if this house has anything. Get out.
Now what next?
Come here. Oh, there are saddles over here. When we are
Okay.
not going to use animals, we are getting all the saddles.
So what can you do? Use the saddles and sit on horses.
Yep, that's what the
But can two of us use the same bed?
no.
Then where is the second one?
I got
Should
it.
I break the stone? Oh yay! Now only if we had a PS4 over here, then it would have been the perfect room. How did I climb the pumpkin?
You can't.
Yeah, I'm on the pumpkins now. I fell down again, man. What is this? Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So we
So
found a nice village.
yeah,
We
we
saw
found
some
this nice
interdimensional beings. I got killed 2 times, I think 2 times.
Yep.
And we did some animal liberation.
Yeah.
And we found some dumb humans that don't say anything, don't do anything.
Yep.
And I found this temple bell.
Yep. And then
So
you
it
did
was
bhajan over it.
Yo, yes, next time. I will recite some verses.
Okay, guys. So I guess that's it for this episode. We just found this beautiful village, and we are gonna not settle over here, but we are gonna scavenge this place. It was a fun episode. I could see Gaura getting blown by a creeper and
Yeah.
get butchered by an enderman multiple times.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So
yeah,
overall, it was a productive day. I will say more than the first episode. This one was where I enjoyed a lot more.
yeah,
So there's
especially
a zombie coming. So let's go back in the home and guys, thank you
oh
for
Chan.
watching. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on the same veranda.